I'm Stephen Threadgold, Head of Product Management here at itslearning. Today I'm going to tell you about some of the great enhancements we've made to the 360-degree reports. I've logged in as a typical high school teacher. From the teacher's course, we can see any of the 360-degree reports. These give an overview of the student's activity, progression and grades. Activity tells me how well the students are engaging with the course, how long they're spending within the course. Progress tells me how well the students are engaging with the activities, how many of them have they looked at, how many of the assignments have they completed. And grades tells me their achievements and the results of their assessments, and shows me a trend graph that says if they are going up or going down. A new feature we've added is the ability to be able to message any of the students at any time from these reports. So for instance, here in the grades report, I can see that two of my students, Anne and Sean, have not completed the assessments that the other students have. I can select them and then create a message that I can send directly to them, asking them, for instance, do they need more help or more support, and they can engage with me as well. I can also send a message from any of the details pages. So for instance, here I can see that Colin has been doing quite well, but his activity seems to be down. He doesn't seem to be logging onto the course as much as he was. So again, I can send a message straight to him and ask him why, and again engage with him and find out if there's something I can do to help. The other feature that we've added, which is going to be really helpful for teachers, is the ability to export these summary reports. So for instance, if I'm sitting down with parents at a parents' evening, I can do an export of how many of the activities the students have completed and the resources that they visited. I can export that to Excel, and I'll have in front of me here a well-formatted spreadsheet that shows me how many of the resources the students have visited, how many of the activities they've completed, and I can give that feedback. So it allows you to take the data that you see within the reports, bring it into a spreadsheet, and then print it out or use it in other places.